I'll be teaching you how to remove the pattern for this shoe. Although this video is in response to a request from Johanna in Tanzania. So I'll be teaching you how to remove the pattern for this shoe. First, you wrap your last. Make sure you cover up one side of your last completely using your masking tape. Then from the opening, you take 2 cm away from the opening. Divide your last into two equal half. Take 2 cm away from the mouth. Then you get your curve. That's your shoe opening, right? Then using your hand, you still divide the last into two. That's from the back side. Then using your meter rule, you draw out your top line slantly. Now the length from the midline to this point is 3.5. Then from the back to this curve, 16 cm. Bear in mind that this length might be different depending on the size of last and the shape of last you're using. So this last is size 43. So bear in mind. So after that, then you use your cutter to cut along your tracing line. Remove the excesses. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a question, drop a comment for me. Once you're done, get your cardboard paper, fold into two. Detach your masking tape, that's your pattern, and place carefully. Once you place carefully and smoothly, then you add your lasting allowance. The same thing I'm doing. Place carefully, add your lasting allowance, and you cut. Please subscribe, like the video, share, drop a comment, copy the link and share please on your social media platforms. You can reach me on 09035539885 plus 234 9035539885. That's my WhatsApp number. This video is in response to Johanna from Tanzania. I hope you learn. This is the video you requested for. Happy Sunday to you all. I hope you were in church. I hope you worship. Alright, so thanks for watching. God bless you. Thanks for watching. So this pattern, this one is for the back cover, just 2.5 as the wideness of the back cover, 2.5. The length depends on the length of your back. Alright.